Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a bookmark to a tweet, thereby being able to find it more easily in the future. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and select the post that you to which you would like to insert a bookmark. All you have to do is clicking on this share button below the picture or video. Click on the bookmark icon. Now, as you can see, the tweet has been added to your bookmarks, so you can go to that section by tapping on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on bookmarks, and here all of the items that you have added to this section will appear to you. If you tap on this three dots icon, you can clear all bookmarks. So if you tap on yes, I'm sure, all of the items will disappear from this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.